Welcome to Understanding System Suggestions, AI Suggestions in Personal Life. In this part of the course, we'll explore how AI reads our habits, translates them into meaningful recommendations, and helps us grow with more confidence and clarity. It's all about using technology not to replace our intuition, but to strengthen it. Artificial intelligence is becoming more than just a tool we use. It is slowly turning into a personal guide that learns from the rhythm of our everyday lives. Every choice we make leaves a small trace of data, and AI brings all of those little pieces together to help us understand ourselves better. From daily routines to long-term goals, AI can highlight patterns we never noticed, offer clearer insights, and support decisions that feel more aligned with who we are. Artificial intelligence has become a quiet but powerful companion in our daily lives. It learns from the data we generate and offers recommendations that feel increasingly personal. Whether we're choosing what to eat, managing our finances, or planning our day, AI observes our habits and helps us make decisions with greater clarity and confidence. Instead of relying only on instinct, we now have systems that understand our patterns and support us in making smarter choices. One of AI's biggest strengths is its ability to spot patterns we might overlook. Every step we take, message we send, or purchase we make adds to a bigger picture of who we are. Using statistical tools and visual dashboards, AI can highlight trends in our routines, such as when we are most productive or when we tend to overspend. More advanced systems go even deeper, discovering subtle connections across large amounts of data that would be impossible to analyze manually. These insights don't just stay in the background. They become meaningful improvements in real life. In health, AI suggests personalized wellness plans. In finance, it analyzes spending and market trends to help with smarter investments and budgeting. Even in travel or schoolwork, AI predicts what we might need next based on past behavior. It acts like a helpful guide, simplifying choices and supporting our goals with insights that truly match our lives. Habit tracking is one of the clearest examples of AI helping us grow. Devices like smartwatches and wellness apps monitor our sleep, activity, stress, and eating patterns. They turn all that information into simple suggestions we can actually use. As time goes on, AI understands our daily rhythms and gives more accurate guidance. It might recommend the best time to exercise, tips for better sleep, or reminders that match our natural productivity highs. Personalized insights only matter if they can be trusted. That's why evaluating AI recommendations is so important. Tools like feedback options, transparency notices, and cross-checks help us understand how the system reached its suggestion. We can adjust personalization settings to control how much influence AI has in our decisions. When used thoughtfully, these features make AI more transparent, reliable, and collaborative, turning it from a mysterious system into a helpful partner. Artificial intelligence is becoming an important part of personal growth and everyday decision-making. It helps us see patterns in our routines, understand our habits more clearly, and make choices with greater confidence. Whether it's improving our health, managing money, refining our schedule, or building better habits, AI offers support that feels more personal the more we use it. And as AI continues to learn from us, the recommendations become even more accurate and meaningful. When we evaluate these suggestions and stay aware of how they're created, the relationship becomes stronger and more trustworthy. In the end, AI isn't here to control our decisions. It's here to help us understand ourselves better and guide us towards smarter, more intentional choices.